Hi everyone, it's me, Tiffany Benson, one part of Team Benson, and today I am going to show you guys how to increase your garden space with some items that I found from Dollar Tree, which in Arizona, that's our dollar store. So, if you guys want to know all of these great things that I found that maybe you can use to increase your garden space, then stay tuned. So the one thing that I'm going to show you guys today, you guys have seen in my garden before, but they have them back at the dollar store. They are these hooks. These ones actually fit across my brick, which I haven't found anything that fits across the brick other than these hooks. And then a pot hangs on them right here. Now, they did have pots at the dollar store, but they have ropes, like fabric ropes. So last year when I just used these, they fell. So that was not fun because during the storms and the monsoon, the wind gets really, really crazy here in Arizona. So you needed something stronger to hold it, and the ropes broke. But they did this year have these. So last year I ordered these off of Amazon, and I think I want to say they cost me for 3 of them like $6 or $7. But this year they had them at the dollar store. So I will be using, let's open them up. All I did was I take the rope off the pots, which I do have 3 pots left from last year, and then you just stick these on there, just like that. And so then it makes it sturdier, and last year these chains did hold up to the monsoon season when the ropes broke, so I know that these are going to work. Now the next item that I found that I thought was super cool is I have always wanted one of the stackable space savers where you can grow vertically, and they're really, really expensive. I'll insert a picture here so you guys know what I'm talking about. Now when I was at the dollar store, I was so excited that I found these. So what it is that they are a 3-potted stackable pot. So you can take them and you can stack them just like this. So I bought 5 of them, and I'm going to stack them all the way up so that then I can grow things in each one of the pots, and it's completely stackable. Now with these ones, if you were just to do 2, then you could do bigger plants. But this one, I have a couple of herbs and a couple of flowers that stay kind of small, so I'm going to put the small ones at the bottom and then put the taller herbs at the top, because that will give me 6 spaces in order to plant taller things that won't get in the way of the pot underneath it. Another nice part about these is that they also have the little water reserve, kind of like little holder on them too as well. In Arizona, things tend to dry out a lot during the summer, so having something that has little water reserves help a lot. Now you are going to have to water these one by one, but I mean, this cost me $5 where the other ones are well over $200. So one of the things I always talk about in having a small space garden in the desert is finding items to put into your garden that are just going to make you happy, so that you enjoy the time out there when you're trying to garden and it's like 120 degrees. So one of the places I love finding little knickknacks for my garden is the dollar store, because it's only $1 and they can take rain and the monsoon and not be destroyed afterwards. So this year I got a little mushroom to go along with my frogs, and then I also found little pot hangers. These hang on the edge of the pots, and I like the colors and stuff like that with them as well, because I think it also attracts the bees. You know, it's something bright that they can see. So I'll probably be getting more of these, but this is the first one that I found. So those are just a few things that you can use to expand your space in your garden and do it in an inexpensive way, because all of those things only cost me $1 each, and they're going to give me way more growing space and not take up any extra space. Really, that is what's already back here. So make sure you guys are checking your local dollar store and seeing if there's items that you can use in order to expand your growing space. Now before I let you guys go, I want to show you guys my seedlings. Voila! A lot of people have asked me when I plant my seedlings, and I actually do it pretty early on. I do it when they're around this size, and I use peat pots, and when they have just their first leaves onto them. These are actually beets. I wanted to try out growing root vegetables in these to see how they grew. So we're gonna see how this grows. This is gonna be an experiment for all of you. But once I get to this point, and these are a little bit leggy, I'm just gonna bury them a little bit deeper. This is when I start planting them. The same thing with my kale. This one is a kale plant, and as you can see, it has the 2 starter leaves, which are these 2, and then these 2 leaves are the actual true leaves of the plant. These are going to grow up to be kale and sauteed with some butter and onions and garlic. So I hope you guys had fun. Thanks for hanging out with me and checking out our video. Don't forget, we have a seed giveaway going on, where if all you have to do is subscribe to our channel, and then once we hit 250 subscribers, I'm going to post a video where you guys will comment below on, and that will enter you into the seed giveaway. We are packing up everything and shipping everything out from the last seed giveaway tomorrow, so you guys expect your packages in the mail, and there's also a little bit of a surprise in there since it took me a week to get them out. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate all the love and support you guys show to us. Make sure you are taking advantage of your small space garden, because even a small space can provide you food. Bye guys!